Hello my friends, welcome to this second part of the video about how to heighten a sofa. Now all the difficult work of preparing the pieces of wood is finished. Here I also painted them. This here is exterior paint, but it doesn't matter here, it's essentially for aesthetical reasons. So for the second part, let's go. Bouge, bouge, bouge. We are starting with the central piece here. This is a wonderful cleat made out of oak. And it's perfectly fitting here. And now what we'll do is we'll be drilling a hole. And one thing we have to take care about is to make sure that we're not using the space for placing the screws of these pieces here. So here this is all wood, so this should be quite easy to attach. Move, 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 move. So now we're drilling the hole into the cleat for fixing it on the sofa. So here in this case I will be using an 80 screw. This is almost perfect because I have the space for putting it here inside the wood. And I have here one half which is in the cleat and one half which will be in the sofa. I'm taking here a drill of 4. Now I'm taking some references. So one will be here. So I will make the holes for putting it on the here. As I told you in my video about how to use screws, here I'm making holes for passing the screws through. So now the cleat is placed, and now I'm going to make the holes on the sofa. I'm already fixing a first screw. This will hold the full cleat for good holes. Here I have only one drill, and I'm taking advantage of this video for showing you a little tip. When you're putting the screw holder, you just have to put the limits here at this level, and then it will enter automatically. Finally, I'm taking 70 screws. Another important rule is not to drill too close to the side. You see here on the bottom left that it broke. So for this very last part, you see here, this has really been made tailor-made. And for this here, so the challenge is to put it at the right height. And furthermore, we have to be careful of not taking space for the screws which will hold the wheels. In case of extreme deepness, you can make a 10 hole here, so the screw will be falling down into the hole. Placing this strange piece, and here we have to make sure that it's well aligned with where we will put the wheels. Here the screws are inside the cleat. This is for having the good references for making the pre-holes. Reaching the end, I will take this head That's it, my friends. Now the cleats are perfectly fixed into the sofa. We still have to put the wheels. I'm adding up that in case you don't need wheels, you can also just put longer cleats. This will do the job. But we are meeting in a minute for the next video for placing the wheels. So see you there on Happy Hour TV 1.